are here on Real Estate in the Lowcountry. Joining me is Benji Gecy, and he is, of course, with Beaufort Lending. Good to see you again, Benji.
Yep, great to see you again. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so we have some good news to talk about today.
Excellent news. Yes. Finally, some excellent news. It's been a long 3 or 4 months with the rise in interest rates, but from the Freddie Mac rate chart, as you can see, we've had a pretty big dip. The chart's not reflecting actually how much the rates have come down. Rates have come down again yesterday and today, so we've had almost a full 1% drop in interest rates. So lots of calls starting to come in now. It was pretty quiet for about 2 weeks when we hit 8%. That stopped everything pretty quickly, but the rates lower. Buyers are starting to hear that news right now, and it's definitely bringing some buying power back into the market. So we priced out 3 loans today, 6.99. That's a big move off of upper 7s to maybe 8%. So that does come with a 1% origination fee, but having rates back in the 6s is pretty nice on the conventional. VA loans are in the low to mid 6s right now, so not very far off from that 5%, upper 5 forecast that I think we might hit by the end of the year, but we still got a long ways to go right now, Betsy.
Yeah, and it's interesting that you say that because it seems like to me that we're going really fast towards the end of the year, but there's, with the changes that happen weekly or even daily, there's still a lot of time for things to change.
We've been watching it for almost a year and a half now. And like I've said before, when the rates improve, they improve very quickly. When they go up very quickly. So the market, hopefully, I think that the market knows that the rates are going lower in 2024. That usually sets pretty early for down the road. I'm hoping that we get some lower rates by the end of the year, but definitely into 2024, because as we said before, we got lots of buyers waiting on the sidelines. And this is a good opportunity right now. Much lower interest rates right now. You have a lot more buying power. Usually when it gets like this and it's volatile, it's pretty choppy. So get rates drop down significantly, you might have a little bump up. So if you're interested in doing something, you may want to lock in right now.
Well, so let's talk about that a little bit, because we are coming up on the holiday season. I think sometimes people might be a little overwhelmed with thinking about dealing with the holidays and thinking about either selling a house or buying a house. So talk to us a little bit about navigating through that and why maybe it is actually a good time to buy.
Yeah, I actually think the holidays are a good time to buy. One, you have less buyers in the market, so there's less competition. Most of the sellers are usually pretty motivated during the holidays, so I think it's a pretty good time if you're able to buy. And with the recent drop in interest rates, it's actually a pretty good value right now. So you've got lower interest rates, less people in the market, and sellers that might be motivated. I think now's a pretty good time to take advantage of the market.
Yeah, and of course we always want to talk about shopping the rate, because that's, even with the things going down, you still want to make sure you're getting the best possible fit for you.
Yeah, and we've experienced that over the last year and a half. Everything's more expensive. So it's forcing you to get a better deal on your mortgage. And if you shop it around with a couple of lenders, you'll be surprised at where the rates are with this lender to that bank to that credit union to a mortgage broker. So whatever you do, make sure you do a soft pull or know your credit score before you shop the rate. But that's the most important tip that we can give anyone, is to just shop around a little bit. And definitely give Beaufort Lending a chance to shop your rate and just see where the rates are. And in this market where we still have somewhat elevated prices, a little lower rate, 1/4 to 0.5% is a big deal right now. So definitely shop your rate.
For sure. And you mentioned last time that you were here, shopping your rate saves the average consumer a really pretty significant amount of money.
Well, with a mortgage broker, we've proven through statistics at over $9,000 savings with a mortgage broker. So you're going to save money. We've had several people make up at least 1% on their interest rate and several $1,000s in closing costs. 1% on a $400,000 loan is a lot more than $9,000. So shopping your rate is definitely, whether it's with a mortgage broker or a lender, going to get a better rate. So that's an important tip. And if you're looking to do something right now, now's the time. We've got some pretty good rates.
Yeah. So if somebody is looking, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, Beaufort.mortgage, we've got a good digital footprint. We've had several 5-star reviews come in over the last week, so check out those reviews. And 843-524-2404, and we're located 1 mile east of Paris Island. Can't miss us.
Can't miss it. Thanks so much, Benji, for being here. And remember to shop your rate with Beaufort Lending.
Thank you.